Hey travellers, and welcome back to Semolina 2007, and this is travel tip number 1. So when you travellers usually go on holiday, you probably pack your suitcase and put all the clothes nice, neatly and tidy in there. You can do that, but it takes up way too much space. So I'm going to show you how you can, take up less space. Oh, as you see, we have 2 shirts right there. They are folded neatly. Well, not really, but they are folded. So these ones, we're actually gonna roll them, okay, and see if it's actually smaller. So here I rolled these 2 shirts up, and look, they're obviously way smaller than these here. So you can easily fit more of them into a suitcase, which is pretty cool. I hope this tip helped you out, guys, and now you can put more stuff into your suitcases. Make sure to leave a like,